Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your PC into a hotspot. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your start button here and now go to the select option here. And after that here, you can see network and internet, click that option. And on the left side here is the mobile hotspot option, click it to open. And as you can see, my my network connection is turned off, and here the network name and also the password. You can change it simply by clicking edit option here. And here you can change the number and also change the password. I'm going to give it a new password here. And after that, all you have to do is just click save and just turn this on. It will take a few seconds to fully turn this on. And here my hotspot is turned on, and as you can see, no device is connected. Now you can enjoy this hotspot, and the hotspot is ready to go. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.